Leadership for Change, a way forward, creating integrative forums. We need the leadership and the framework to address this polarization. How do we go about integrating our science and our practice to build bridges instead of silos? How do we go about using our knowledge to address the divide that affects every single issue we face, whether it's the master's issue, clinical guidelines, or the new proposed structure of APA? How do scientists inform practice? How do practitioners contribute to knowledge building to optimize impact for different populations and contexts? How can scientists expand their methods to address real-world problems and treatments informed by population needs and context? How do we acknowledge the knowledge held by practitioners on practice? Let's promote integration, not silos. I start with the principles above, proposing my presidential initiative and action plan for change. I intend not only to bring us together to talk about epistemology, the creation of knowledge, or the intersection of our truths and justified beliefs, but also to lead us in collaborative projects to bring together our scientists and practitioners. We need leadership for change to address the divide and to bring about integration, to have unity amidst our differences and diversity. Rather than being at each other's throats, we need to come together. To do that, I offer a framework for integration. If we can bring together diverse perspectives, representative experts, we can create the solutions that can reflect diverse and varied perspectives that are viewed as fair. We need to unlearn the fact that there is only one truth and acknowledge the contributions of diverse perspectives. Our clinical guidelines must take into consideration the complexities of scientific evidence that is informed by patient and contextual variables. I would seek, for example, to bring about trauma clinicians and memory researchers to grapple with the current divisions within our profession about what is good science and evidence-based practice and treatment. My overarching initiative is integrating our science and practice. Each needs to feel the power of agency and to work together. A house divided will not strengthen its membership. We cannot have, or perceived to have, few people making decisions for the many. This does not inspire others to join us. We need all to be part of the endeavor. To grow, people need to feel a part of what is going on and that their voices are heard in a fair way. I am about building bridges to promote integration. I see unity in diversity, which is unity without uniformity and diversity without fragmentation. I hope my presidential initiative will be sustaining toward the future and mindful of the past. It expands on the many presidential initiatives before me. It's continuous with Rosie Bingham Davis's theme of Dream Big, Do More, with Jessica Henderson Daniels' theme of Citizen Psychologists, with integration into healthcare proposed by Tony Puente and Susan McDaniel, and with Uniting Psychology for the Future by Nadine Kaslow. And as Barry Anton said, psychology works. I hope to do just a little bit more. It's about community, the psychology community. It's about agency, psychologists as able to build bridges, not silos, to promote unity amidst diversity. We are unique in that other practice fields look to us for our science, for example, social work and psychiatry. We are naturally aligned with certain constituencies, medicine in an integrative care setting, international, as we build our goals as global citizens.